Your busham for mobile setting ye. And a bese a casafa issues are a course away minimum. I de betchi dobetiane sakawa fraud boy YSC. You bese hear some series of videos be na your comment section ho say no wadwene ye the bad and a bit to my eye bit to solve this kind of issue. I dey chin ade sen na no yet similar issues, a whole lot of complaints ne just say confessions ahodo. Enti me ni say the bad and a bit to my eye be sad na no. Aha, enti you share this kind of videos na yanche adwene or comment section ho. Ti obusia for me yanko na yanko kohwe video no.
Soft, by all means. People want soft. People want live fresh life. Lord have mercy. See, I take them up to myself, say, man, if I don't fit pass this information, God no go forgive me. See, ladies, Mona, they very careful. Mona, they very, very careful. First of all, most of them where they spread on a labu pint for outside, say on a dry pint. Mona, they very careful. See, boys are not smiling. They sell pants 200k nowadays. The one when he be say, man, he don't get border for the junction, for the center. You know what I mean by border? You as a lady, you know that one will be say, man, so can red don't the center. That one I be follow compound. Now 350k. Now guys is sell them. When I know why they pass on this information, because my mama a woman. My mama a woman. I get very soft space for my heart for ladies. And I get one character when I tell you deal with ladies. A very precious character. I respect ladies a lot. Now make I say, I no go shame to pass this message. Many of una fit don't hear am. But why men know the fit pass on a message be say, una too dey form. Some of una too dey raise una self up. Mostly the poor men children, una too dey raise una self up. Una know they let guy talk. Either una go dey blast and say, man, you too talk. Go and look for a job. Go get yourself a job. Go shave your beard. Go barb your hair. Person wey dey talk, you look and say, man, you don't stew, you don't soft. The message we say, the talk no go too much. Make una dey careful. And most of una be say, if una go on a guy place, una pack all una pants una get for house. Go your guy place for just one night stand. It's very dangerous. It is dangerous. If you dey go your guy place, go with one pant or two pants. If you wash them for night, you wear them for morning. So that if you dey go house, you go know. If you pack plenty pants go your guy house, he dodge one. You no go fit know. Because you pack plenty pants go there. Ah man, I dey find this my blue pant oh. You no go fit suspect your guy say you want to take your pants. What you want use your pants do? Now what your mind go tell you. You go say, this is my blue pants. Okay, maybe I bring them or maybe I no bring them. You go begin to ask yourself question. But your guy don't dodge that pants. But if it be say na only two pants you take go there, you go know say na two you carry go. You go feel remember. It go dey very easy for you to remember. And most of una we get brothers. Una dey feel say na my brother. See, trust nobody again. Trust nobody again. Your brother fit still carry your pants go sell. If you still carry your pants go sell, and now this one the result when many girls go dey find husband they no go see. Some go marry they no go see pikin. Some big babes, big auntie, sister, all of the day time now. From year to year, no man don't come up for their door say, Papa, this your daughter now how much? Now this rubbish they cause am. Una dey sell una self because of worldly things. Una know they think. Una dey let all these small peanuts they take away una sense of reasoning. See, every girl and mother, una supposed get that spirit of mother to take care of men. But now, una dey let small things they jump into una brain, go pull virus. No be only there that one for end. You dey spread your pants for anywhere. It dey dear now. It's very expensive now. And they pay me for these guys when they fit get patient Hoxo like that. Hoxo day. Legit Hoxo day. Legit Hoxo day. For me as a guy, they call those things laziness and man shit. I don't want to be shy to pass this. I don't want to be shy to pass this message. I don't want shame to pass this message. Mona, just be careful. Mona, just be careful. That one will be the number one. Number two, money of una will be big sister for town now. Una go see small boy of 20, 25 years, boy where you know when they born am. You know do mechanic, you know do panebita, you know serve oga, you go just go remove Mercedes come out. You go just go buy Camry, you go just go buy Range Rover. Una just jump enter front. Pikin where you know the day where they born am. Because they buy Mercedes, you go lodge for hotel, go to sleep with you. Abomination. Mokuna wake up. The country is hard, the country is hard. Now the same country where hard, now everybody still there. Even Europe now hard past Africa. Many of you are not going to understand. Europe hard past Africa. Because you don't come, you must succeed. Europe hard past Africa. Africa, everybody knows everybody in a shingbai. Nobody will carry stressful for your body. But for this Europe, your family, your extended family, all of them will put their stress for your head. So it's very, very heavy. Now, when they Africa, now even get this message. So, when are they careful? When I want steal by all means. When I want soft by all means. Yes, you people should be careful. Be careful, be vigilant. When I go spread on a pant for inside bedroom. People they from window now they thief pants. People they open louvers, they thief pants where they bedroom. Pants na 200k, now boys they sell them. The one we don't get border for the middle, like you know where some kind of red spot don't they? That one I be follow come. Now 350k. 350k, now boys they sell them. So make una dey careful. Don't just see anybody and begin to trust them. Many of una no go even ask yourself questions. Say, this small boy of yesterday, where they road tire pass our house, now they drive Mercedes so. Una no go feel reason am like that. Make una advise yourself. No, una go begin to find una want to get in contact. Una go follow and go chop. Some of una go even follow small boys. So una know the day they born them. Go club. Una go to smoke marijuana. Una go to smoke hashish. Una go to smoke pipe. Una go see the post on for Facebook. You will be sister. You will be big girl. We're supposed to call that small boy to others. Say, bros, no verse so. How come this Mercedes? Una know they ask. Una no care. Una go just sit down for front. Some of una go sit down for front of motor. Tortoise dey under the chair. Una destiny go dey lost. As a man, now they tell una, they give una this advice. Man, they careful because the bamba thing where they happen for this life now, and women they cause am.
Yo, bushafo, yate di okono. Just say I do a chance over Nigeria. Sebe, and ba hon your mana be ma esa no wiewia. Just say ni na akoye sikeya enti ana nkofo ye omo ho sa no. Sikeya ana boys no. Ye omo ho sa no. And obo bi na chese unhu adwuma oye enso de kasimu what ya say akwa yo shagana sa akwa we o Ghana na chese unhu adwuma bi oye enso edan akwa we sisi ne ka chese odwen wa wonte ase hwe sika omudi sika omudi sika enti question say de ba de ne betumi aye be sisa nyoma we ye den ano onye dwuma bia o onye dwuma bia what I say onye dwuma bia na si keze areho omonam no mu wiwia sebe mba ho ne oma e de kokwa ye omo sakawa ne ene nyoma what I say na keze we ye young girl we siso na we disankofo we echi na udi omachi ufi se de ba de pa no mo de beyew sa nipa wo no da wi de ba de pa ene wo bra bo besi wi ade ayew uhu sa sika we ya na we ne bere we de tiensema oka we de waka se tie tiensema okan ye e wo ase omo ko Benin obi enim se Benin bia ye kwaji sikedro ne sa na ma tie nsam a woka wankasa tie
see where Monday mankind we can't dey Benin we dey Benin Charlie Nyagro we dey hustle for here Charlie we dey hustle she be I think Monday hustle we can't dey sit up you quit you cry hey girl see so you ba we am mususu nchie na Nyagro so ba hey man Nyagro so ba hey and one talk there something.
See that thing, it's real, Benny for real, there Benny. See that thing, they can't sell for money.
What you say? What the okano? Benin or ko Benin. Oh, and just say and a young guy be sure or per se or nyana huntem. Or per se or nyana hun entemo. Not to talk as si a dying. Oh, omo ku ma me ku ma me omo ku mu nua ma e ku mu nua ma ti asem ni omo asem omo ku sequence e de omo gisike duro e hwe je se are omo ku ma shawofu anadwo ku ma shawofu anadwo oh je se nsama e koso no na Tije cha me pese mi hu de ba de na wasi ye de ba de ni betun ya de besi sa no mewe ya no because I don't know minim di aban no betun ya de aboa ana se o man no mpeni fo betun ya me esi sa de we ya no what ya say ha younger wonya dwuma nso hwe cars nhu ayibi oye tese asase so ni je na sama na ba na kan aso benye wi asema japade ni na be hwe okra nkwa fa so ben na ede ewo so what ase unhu adwuma bi a waye o unhu adwuma bi a waye ha unhu adwuma bi a sa kwa we oye same applies to young guys from go Ghana no bo hu na da camera mu bo so da we mu jeze ya na areho kofoma no mu kumomo ede gisikedro what I say very sad very sad it ebusu afo hwe ya de ba de ne betuma e besi sa no mo ya no ene futuo benso na owo ede ma young girls no aha me yehu wo futuo bi a me yehu na tese yareho yareho pa what I say areho ni bibie sika so kirewo na eyawde young girl udi sika kwasesa wo hyebre obonsam mfa de makwa ti young guy no ma wo sika no kan hu se onye bibi papa fi ho ti na osesa sika we na ede ma wo no usu hu eweni kaw kayere weni bomu se ya wacha se tese ehu ankasa ehu erade hu ye mobo omene nam claps ene ni je enso tese unhu adwo bi omoye etabusan for let me know your thoughts in the comment section de ba de ne betuma ye besi sa de bia no aha de ba de ene betuma ye besi sa no bia no wa video si a wo hwehwe any images na wo hwehwe no tese areho it is hard we ya and that young girls no omo de sa nyoma we and I did that young girls no sa nyoma we ya no me de that omo ene cars ne yi nipa no nim no so wura kwata front enti omo bekum sa some so mu nsuanyansa omo bekum sa enti abusuafo let me know your thoughts in the comment section de ba de betuma ya ibesi sa no me ya no sebe mba ho ne o ma wiawia kese nipa mu kum nipa de kwaji sikedro ni sa no me no ene ayare ho se ene this modern year today akonfo ananko mu gun remu ene omu nyina betena TV so akonfo omo ba social media so ebeta nipa se chenchena bra beje sikedro. This is the kind of country we live in and the kind of world we live in right now. Tebusian for Yesu Christo nhyira mo nyam kese. I hope say we all learn something from this. Video ya pass it na fama wunua bi na onhwe video na ntunofo slay queens for na mabaso na you are all after money no monye very very careful no be and sell that obi and destroy destiny. Yesu onhyira mo na no nyam kese. Peace, shalom. I love you all. See you once again.